Hi, my name is Sangavi and I'm a recent graduate of the Masters of Genomics and Health at the University of Melbourne. So what did I enjoy the most about this course? Well, I enjoyed the choice that we were actually given and the freedom that we have to mould this degree to our choosing. Whether we decide to do research or whether we choose to do elective like myself to further improve our knowledge in various areas of expertise of other degrees. Even though the degree was conducted during the pandemic for myself and all the learning was done online, we did miss that face-to-face interaction that you normally get during university. However, having such a tight-knit cohort between ourselves, as well as with the Masters of Genetic Counselling program, I can definitely say that we didn't miss as much of an interaction, and I can definitely see us all being colleagues in the near future. One thing I did enjoy about the Masters of Genomics and Health program is that it allowed for some really great hands-on learning. For example, I had the pleasure of undergoing 2 internships, which everyone has the pleasure of undergoing during this program. One of my internships was through the Victorian Clinical Genetic Services at the Royal Children's Hospital, and the other one was at the Royal Melbourne Hospital, where I underwent some further training in variant curation. These internships provided me with the opportunity to truly put what we learn over the last year and a half into practice and understand how future work in this field of genomics really is. Having a true passion and interest in the field of variant curation, I was able to have further exposure of more processes and training in variant curation through the Royal Melbourne Hospital. Variant curation is such a unique skill set that students of this program have the absolute pleasure of learning about. Having that intensive subject over the span of 2 semesters in your first year, combined with this internship that I did, it really consolidated and put all the learning into perspective and further increased my passion for this field. Choosing a master's degree, whether it be straight after your undergraduate degree or even after a bit of a break like I did myself, it can be quite stressful as you don't want to make the wrong decision. My advice to anyone who's interested in studying the Masters of Genomics and Health is that if you're passionate about the realm of genomics, human genetics, or even something left field like bioethics, or even if you aren't sure what your true passion is, but you have such a keen interest in the field of genomics, this is the degree for you. This degree gives you the space to grow, and it also gives you the space to mould the subjects according to your interest as you go on. Your interest for this course at the beginning might be very, very different, like for myself. However, with the support you get from every single staff member in this course, no wrong decision will ever be made. And with that, I would like to say thank you for listening, and I hope to see you all in the near future. Thank you.